Hi, hello. Welcome to my channel Epic Educare. It is an educational channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Already you know red color fluid we called blood. Today we will go to talk about functions of the blood. The blood coming to the heart from all parts of the body and then pumped by the heart back to all parts of the body is not a cholesterol. Instead, it does the following essential functions for the good of the body. Consider blood acts as waste disposal. How can it act? See, the blood coming to the heart from various parts of the body carries carbon dioxide from the tissue in its plasma. From the heart, it goes to the lungs where carbon dioxide is breathed out. Also, it carries metabolic wastes from the liver to kidneys to be sent out of the body in the urine. It also acts to transport oxygen through all parts of the body. Okay, when the stable blood goes to the lungs from the right ventricle of the heart through the pulmonary artery, it picks off fresh oxygen from the inhaled breath. This job is done by the hemoglobin that is there in the red blood cells as pigment. The blood carries this oxygen to all the body cells. Remember that oxygen is the life-giving gas and its absence means death of the body. It is the one of the important function of the blood. Next we consider blood also transport hormones. Okay, 20 different hormones are those chemical messengers that are released by various glands. These hormones reach other glands or tissues to do various jobs. They are carried from their sources of their target tissues by the blood pumped by the heart. These hormones pass on their instructions to the tissues of the gland where they reach. This is also one of the important functions of blood. It also transports food. After having been digested inside the stomach and the small intestine, the food particles are absorbed by the blood. These nutrients are carried by the blood plasma to the liver for processing and further to all parts of the body in order to furnish them with energy for their day-to-day activities. Okay? It also defends against infection. The blood plasma contains two types of white cells. They are neutrophils and monocytes. They chase and engulf any bacteria or viruses that invade any part of the body. A third type of white cells is called lymphocytes. They release killer chemicals called antibodies that target specific disease-causing germs and do away with them. This is the one of the important functions of blood. Blood is also act as clotting agency. Okay, the blood plasma carries platelets in it. Whenever there is a wound, these platelets clump together at the wound site and release chemicals that cause the blood to clot and seal the wound head to save the wound from outside effect. Soon the clot takes the shape of a scab. When the wound has healed up and the scab has dropped up, fresh skin appears at the wound site. Okay, these are the important functions of blood.